Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install LangChain for your VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your command prompt, just the regular one. Open it up. Now in here, let's go ahead and check if you have Python and pip installed. Okay, to check if Python is installed, just type in Python space -- version. Okay, if you have pip, go ahead and check it out. Pip -- version. Okay, as you can see here, I have it already installed. If you don't have these, go ahead and download it first. Okay, once you have both installed or verified, you can now go ahead and type in pip or pip install LangChain. Okay, hit on enter and wait for it to load. Once this is done, you can now go ahead and verify that LangChain is installed or installed correctly by running pip show space LangChain. Okay, hit on enter, and as you can see here we have the version, the location where it's installed, and some other information. Okay, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.